Hello everyone. So my name is Swati and today I'm your educator and I'll be solving few questions for all of you. All right. So let us start with our first question. All right. So as you can see, our first question is okay. So give me a moment and you can see the question. Yes. So give me a moment. I hope the question is visible now. And yes, now we can move ahead. So basically, as you can see here, the first question is which deal is better? Two pizzas, 4-inch each, or one pizza of 6-inch? Now, what do you think? Like when you order pizza, what do you prefer? Do you prefer ordering the small pizza or you prefer ordering the large pizza? So, do you know that which one is better? Okay, so basically, when we are saying that which deal is better, we mean to say that we want a greater pizza, right? Which is, greater in size, which is larger in size. So, this is what we will be finding here, okay? And after solving this question, you will also understand in the next time what kind of pizza you should order, the big one or the smaller one, the regular one. So let us find out. Let us find out which deal is better. So first you can see that here we have that a two pizza 4-inch each. Okay. So let us first draw a pizza. Okay. I hope you all know pizza is like, like this. Imagine it is like this. Okay. So we are basically having two pizzas and 4-inch each. Okay. So these are the two pizzas we are talking about, right? Now, you want to know which deal is better. That means you want to know which one is larger. And when we are talking about which one is larger, it is basically which is having a greater area. All right. So this is our first option, that two pizzas of 4-inch each. Okay. So when we are saying this 4-inch, what is this 4-inch? Basically, this is the length of the pizza, right? And this is nothing but given 4-inch. All right. Now, similarly, if this is 4-inch, then we have the same pizza. Okay, so this is also 4-inch, right? Now, let us do one thing. Let us calculate the area of this 4-inch pizza. All right. Now, you know that this is a circle, right? And you want to find the area, right? So, we know that area of a circle formula is pi r square, correct? This is the formula, okay, where r here is the radius of the circle, right? Now, why we are taking circle, you already know, because pizza is in circular shape, right? And that is why we are taking circle. Now, we are finding area of a circle, pi r square. Pi, the value of pi we all know is 22 upon 7, right? So let us take here 22 upon 7 instead of taking 3.14. We have basically two values of pi. In fraction, it is 22 upon 7, and in decimal, it is 3.14, and a lot of numbers. But here we will consider 3.14, right? Okay, let us put the value of pi here, 22 upon 7. So this is 22 upon 7 into, here this is radius, right? And when we say radius, you know the relation between radius and diameter. We know that diameter is equal to twice of radius, right? So diameter upon 2 is equal to radius, right? So basically there is a relation between radius and diameter, that radius is the half of diameter, right? And now, do you know that this is nothing but the diameter, right? And now we want to find the half of this, right? Because this is a diameter given in the formula. We don't have diameter, we have to use radius, right? So first we will find out the radius, and we will use this relation to find the value of radius. All right, so let us find out the radius. So radius will become diameter upon 2, and diameter is 4-inch. That means 4 upon 2. That means the radius is 2-inch. All right, now we have the value of radius. So radius will become twice into twice, right? Because radius square, and this will become 2 into 2. Now we can solve this. Okay, so 22 into 2 is 44, and 44 into 2 is 88. So this is basically 88 upon 7. Now I hope everyone knows how to do division. So basically, if you convert here this 88 upon 7 in decimals, so let us check what is 88 upon 7. So I hope you already know how to do this. So I'll just quickly write down the answer. So 88 divided by 7 is basically, if I'm going to write all the numbers after decimal, so it is 12.5714. Okay, and then I'll just write down below. So 14, then 286. Okay, so this is our area of a circle okay, in the first case, but this is only of one pizza. But you know that the first, in the first option, we have two such pizzas. So if I have calculated the area of one pizza, I can easily calculate the area of the second pizza by just multiplying this answer by 2. All right. So now we are having, okay, so just we can find the total area. Okay, the total area in the first option, okay, when we were choosing two pizzas of 4" each. So total area will become just whatever answer we have got plus the same answer, or we can say twice into this one, 12.5714,286. All right, and now if you multiply this number by 2, the answer is 25.1428572. Now this is basically the area of the first pizza, right? Of the first case. Now we will go to our second deal, okay? And in the second deal we have a pizza of 6" right? This is in our second deal, as you can see here in the question. That now one pizza of 6". Now we will calculate the area of one pizza of 6". All right. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'll just write down again that now we have a pizza whose diameter is now 6" given. All right. So diameter is 6". That means this is 6" given. All right. So first of all, we will calculate the radius. So radius will become diameter upon 2, which is 6 upon 2. That is 3". Now in this case, we have a radius 3". Now we will calculate area here also, right? So area of this pizza will be using the same formula, pi r square. Pi is 22 upon 7 and r is, we have 3. So 3 into 3, which is 9. So we are basically getting 22 into 9 upon 7, right? So this will become 9 into 2, 18, carry 1, and 9 into 2, 18, this one, 198 divided by 7. Now, if I just calculate this, so this will become 198 divided by 7, which is 28.285743. I hope you can easily see the answer that here in this case, despite of, ordering only one pizza, we can see area is bigger here. And in the first case, when we had, when we had ordered two pizzas, in that one, despite of having two pizzas, area is still smaller. That means we are being tricked, right? So remember that next time when you will order a pizza, don't order two small pizzas. Instead of that, order one big pizza, because in that the quantity, or we can say the area, will be more, and deal will be better only if the area and the quantity will be more. Do you agree with this? All right. So therefore, which deal is better? The deal which is better is one pizza of 6", because in this we can see the quantity is absolutely more, okay? Because in the first case we got just 25.142872, as you can see, and in the second one only one pizza. In this, the area is 28.285743, and clearly we can see here that this number is a bigger number. That means this area is a greater area. That is why this is a correct choice. So I hope you understood this solution. We will solve the next question in the next video. Thank you so much.